Hello friends, I'm Melody from MelodyCooks.com and I got a new air fryer. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've been using the same air fryer for years, and after 5 years that air fryer finally broke, and that model has been discontinued, so I couldn't get the same one, so I had to find a new air fryer, and that's the air fryer that I got from Amazon. And now I'm going to open a box and let's see what air fryer I got. Opening the box. So this is the one I got, the Cosori brand. So here's my new air fryer, and let's continue getting it out of the box. So this air fryer has a square basket. My old one was round, but I figured square actually has more room to put more food at once. And this one is 5.8 quarts. So here's the basket, it's pretty big. And to take out the inner basket, so this is the button. And I think the last thing to unpack would be the power cord, and then this air fryer is totally unpacked. So now before using it, I'm just going to wash the basket. So just wash it with soap and water, just using normal kitchen sponge. So I'm just using regular dish soap. say I'm going to wash this part as well. So just water and dish soap. Dry it with a towel. So this air fryer is ready to be used, and I do like to run a new air fryer on empty for a while because if you've seen, I have a video on how to get rid of new air fryer smell. A lot of air fryers, they tend to have that, you know, new plastic smell, and I'm not even sure if this one does because I haven't tried it yet. But I do like to just kind of run it on empty to burn off the smell. So I'm going to plug the air fryer in. And there's actually a plastic part and a plug that needs to be removed. And now I'll plug it in. And let's put the basket in. So here are the options. So at first you couldn't even see the options, but once I press the one power button, so and there's all those presets, and if you've been watching my videos, you know I never use presets and I never preheat the air fryer either. All I need is the controls for the temperature and the time. So here's the button that says temp time. So if I press it, now the temperature is blinking. I know that's where I increase it. So I'm going to increase it to the maximum, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And now to switch to time, I will press time. And I'm just going to do it for 30 minutes. And just heat it on empty. And then, let's see. Here's the button to start it. I just needed a minute to figure it out. But so now it's just going to run on empty. And once it's done, it's going to be ready to use. And so far, this particular model started running. I don't smell anything plastic, so this is a great sign because I remember with my old air fryer and a bunch of other ones that I've tried in returns, they did have this, you know, weird chemical smell. But this one, so far, I don't smell anything. So this is awesome, and I'll keep you posted. We'll see if you keep seeing me using this air fryer. It means it's a keeper. But for now, I unboxed it. I do have 30 days to try it. If I don't like it, I'll just return it back to Amazon. But so far, it looks so promising. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. And please check out hundreds of air fryer recipes on my channel. I have recipes on how to cook most things in the air fryer. So, and also on my website, melaniecooks.com. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.